Hello students, welcome to Jupiter's Online Academy. We are discussing about chapter 1, that is odd man out. So in our last class we have discussed up to 15th questions, means 1 to 15 I will show you here. See from 1 to 15. So up to here we have completed. So now we will continue from 16. So our 16th question is, so in this we have four options, right? In these four options we have to choose the correct one, that is odd man out, means different one. So if we consider first option A, in this it is divided into four equal parts and it is shaded and it has curved shape, right? See, it has curved shape here. In option B also it is curved shape, it is divided into four equal parts and it is shaded. In option C it is not in curved shape but it is divided into four equal parts and shaded area. In option D, it is divided into equal four parts and shaded and it has curved shape. So, in option A, option B, option D, these three has curved shape and four equal shaded parts and equally shaded. But in option C, it is not curved shape. So, C is our answer. Next, question number 17. See, in option A, option B, option C, option D, we have to choose the different one, means odd man out. So, in option A, we have three turns in this figure. 3. Next, in option B, how many turns we have? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we have 4 turns. Now option C, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 turns in option C. Coming to option D, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 turns. See, 3, 4, 5, 3 means in option A, option C, option D, we have odd man out of turns, means odd number of turns we have. In option B, we have even number of turns. So B is our answer. Next, in question 18, we have to count these lines. So in first option, count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 lines here. In option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 lines here. In option C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines here we have. In option D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines we have. So, if we observe in option A and option C and option D, we have even number of lines, but in case of option B, we have odd number of lines, means 5 lines. So, B is our answer. Next, question number 19. So, to do question number 19, we should know the basic figure. So, I will draw here, students. Observe carefully. So, this is our figure. So, in this figure, we have 4 directions. Means, I will show you here. See, this is one direction, second one, and third one. This is fourth one. So, using this figure, we will do this 19th question. See, in option A, this is locating and in this direction. First one. Okay. Next, in option B, it is locating in this direction, but in this direction we don't have figure in this. Okay. Next, in option C, it is locating in this direction. It is clear. In option D, it is locating in this direction. Okay. See. So option A, option C and option D are locating same direction which I drawn here. So in option B it is locating in other direction. So B is our answer here. Next, coming to question number 20. See, in option A it is 180 degrees. Already we know that it is 180 degrees from here to here. I will draw here. It is 180 degrees. Again it is 90 degrees. Next, from here to here completely one round, it is 360 degrees. So for example, it is 0 degrees. How means I will explain here. See, in option A it is 180 degrees, means in a clock we have minute hand and hour hand. Consider this small one as hour hand, this one minute hand, hour hand, minute hand. this small one hour hand, minute hand, this one hour hand and minute hand. So in option A it is 180 degrees. See, from here to here it is 180 degrees. Next in option B it is 90 degrees, like this. So it is 90 degrees. In option C, hour hand and minute hand are at the same place, means same plane. So it is 0 degrees. Next, in option D, it is 90 degrees. So it is 90 degrees. See, if we observe in option A, option B, option D, we have degrees. But in option C, we have 0 degrees. Means option C is our answer. Next, question number 21. In question number 21 and 22, they go into mistake, students. So we will leave these two questions. Next, question number 23. See, in option A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is divided into 6 parts. In option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is also divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In option C also it is divided into 6 parts. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In option D also it is divided into 6 parts. But observe carefully, students. In option A, option B, option C, these parts are divided in not a proper way. So, but in case of option D, it is divided into proper way. So, option D is our answer. Understood? Next, question number 24. Coming to question number 24, observe carefully. In option A, this arrow left side we have shaded circle, arrow right side we have non-shaded circle. In option B, arrow left side we have non-shaded circle, right side shaded circle. In this figure, arrow right side we have shaded circle, arrow left side non-shaded circle. In option D, arrow left side means this side we have non-shaded circle, arrow right side shaded circle. Students, observe carefully. In option B, C and D, we have non-shaded circle, arrow left side, shaded circle, arrow right side. See, left side non-shaded, right side shaded, left side non-shaded, right side shaded. So in option A, arrow left side we have shaded and right side non-shaded. So option A is our answer. Next, coming to 25. In 25, it is option B, A, it is option B, this one option C, this one option D, this last one is option E. They give print mistake in this question. So observe carefully. These two are similar and opposite direction. In option B, these two are similar and opposite direction. Option C, these two are similar and opposite direction. Option D, these two are similar and opposite direction. Option E, these two are similar and opposite direction. So we can't get answer from this. So if we observe option A, these two options means these two elements are locating same directions, means going in this directions. In option B, these are going same direction. In option C, these two are going same direction. Coming to option D, these two are going, means what are the two elements? This is triangle and T are going same direction. But in case of option E, it is locating in this direction and this T is locating in this direction, means it is different from all these four. So E is our answer. Next, question number 26. See, here we have question number 26. See, in question number 26, option A, it is equally shaded and opposite direction. Next, in option B, it is also equally shaded and opposite direction. In case of option C, it is equally shaded and opposite directions. So, but in case of option D, it is not equally shaded. See, observe in this figure, we have this part shaded area. In this, we have this part only. Actually, it should complete this part also, but it is non-shaded in this part. So option D is different from option A, B, C. So option D is our answer. Next, question number 27. In question number 27, option B, both both shaded area are opposite to each other. In option C also this shaded area opposite to each other. In option D, this shaded area opposite to each other. But in case of option A, this shaded area not in opposite to each other. So option A is our answer. Next, question number 28. In option A, outside figure is circle, inside figure also circle. So both are similar. In option B, outside figure is a square, inside figure is also a square. Means both are similar. In option C, outside figure is a triangle, inside figure also a triangle. So both are similar. But in case of option D, outside figure is triangle, inside figure is rectangle. Both are different. So option D is our answer. Next, coming to 29. In option A, this figure means it is A. It is not in a proper way. In option B, option C, option D are in a proper way. See, observe carefully. T, E, V are in a proper way. But in option A is not in a proper way. So, A is our answer. Next, coming to question number 30. See, in this option A, we have 5 corners. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, in option B also we have 5 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, in option C, we have 5 corners also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in case of option D, count how many corners we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means in option A, we have 5 corners. Option B also 5. Option C also 5. But in case of option D, we have 6 corners. So, D is our answer. Question number 31. I will write option A. It is completely closed figure. In option B, it is also completely closed figure. In option C also it is completely closed figure. But in case of option D, it is not completely closed. So D is our answer. It is very easy question, students. Next, coming to question number 32. In option A, option B and option D, these three letters means A, F, Z letters are written by using line segments like this. F and Z. But in case of option C, it is curved. So C is our answer here. Next, coming to question number 33. In option B, observe carefully, students. This triangle and this rectangle connected with the circle. So in option C also, this rectangle and circle is connected with the triangle. In option D, this triangle and circle connected with the square. But in case of option A, these three figures means circle, triangle and square are interconnected to each other. So this option A is different from option B, C, D. So option A is our answer. Next, question number 34. See, in this option A, to get this answer, we should add these 4 corner digits, then we will get answer. See, observe carefully. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So it is right. Next, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. But it is wrong. Next, coming to option C, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 8, 26. It is right. Next, option D, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 18, 28, 28 plus 11, 39. So it is correct. But option B is wrong. So B is our answer. Next, question number 35. To complete question number 35, we should know first basic rule. That is, I will write here. We have letters, right? How many letters we will have? We are having total 26 letters. So I will write here. I will divide this 26 letter into parts. Means 13 plus 13. I will write here. See, observe carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Up to M 13 letters are over. Then I will write remaining letters here in the reverse. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See, up to here 13 over 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Total 26 letters. So using this basic rule, we are going to answer this 35 answers. See, in diagonal A opposite Z. So here we have A opposite Z. Next B opposite Y. See, in B opposite we are having Y. Next, in case of option B, M opposite N. See, here we are having M opposite N. Next, V opposite E. Yeah, here we are having E opposite V. Next, in option C, T opposite O. Let us check. We have T opposite Z. So, option C we have mistake. Okay, we will check all. C opposite X. Yeah, we are having C opposite check, but T opposite O is not there. In case of option D, D opposite W, we are checking here. C, we are having D opposite W. Next, N opposite M means where is N? Yeah, here we are having N opposite M. But in case of option C, we can observe here T opposite O is there, but here we have T opposite G. So C is our answer here. Next, question number 36. In this question we have four options, right? So from these four options we have to choose one different one. So in option A we are having I, option B A, option C D, option D H. So students observe carefully. This I letter is written by using three line segments. 1, 2, 3. In option B also, option A is written with the three line segments. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3, it is 3. In option C, T is written with the two line segments only. In option D, H is also written in three line segments. See, 1, 2, 3. So here C is our answer. Next, question number 37. In option A, it is divided into four parts but not equally divided. In option B, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 equal parts. In option C, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts and equally divided. In option D, it is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts and it is equally divided. In option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided into 6 parts and equally. In case of option A, it is divided into 4 parts but it is not divided equally. So here C is our answer. Okay students, we will stop this class here. Next class will be continued. Thank you.